And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to leave Duffy's Tavern for this evening, but let's meet here again at the same time next Friday night.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. You've got a friend in me, oh yeah, you've got a friend in me. Du hast ein Freund in mir. Du hast ein Freund in mir. Wann draußen kalt und gefährlich ist und du dein schönes warmes Bett vermisst, vergiss nicht, dass du nicht alleine bist, dann du hast einen Freund in mir. Hey Junge, du hast einen Freund in mir. Horizontes na frisbig citrus filus, na me magale, che più donate, Horis. Alla n'acceptica muagabe, tu di distico se fila racco canis. El tiempo passerà, lo nuestro no morirá. Lo vas a ver, es mejor saber que an amigo on me. You've got a friend in me.